restrictions. And that is that it's going to release water from Mettur Dam on the 12th of June. Also further saying that the Cauvery authorities in fact should have exact powers of the Cauvery Water Management Board. Pramod Madhav is with us. Pramod, take us through what really took place in this all-party meeting.
Well, there was a 2-hour all-party meeting. This is the sixth one conducted by DMK, and we had its alliance parties. Close to 7 parties were there, including MDMK and VCK. And what occurred over is that, like as we earlier mentioned, they had a kind of conversation as to what is the difference between Cauvery Water Management Board and authority. And after this particular meeting, MK Stalin has brought out 4 resolutions. The first one is to condemn the state and the centre for not implementing Cauvery Water Management Board as implied by the Supreme Court. The second one was about condemning the new set of rules that is being brought forward for UPSC aspirants. And the third one is to thank the people of Tamil Nadu who have protested for Cauvery. The issue is that here they want to make it very clear that the fourth one is that the water should be released from Mettur Dam by 12th June for Cauvery irrigation. The very unfortunate thing is that Mettur Dam does not have any water. It has only 32 feet of water right now, which is normally placed over there, and Mettur Dam cannot release water unless it receives water from Krishnarajasagara Dam, that is a Cauvery Dam in Karnataka. So that's a culminating point over there. These are the resolutions that have been passed by MK Stalin. However, Vaiko also made it very clear that they are not happy with Cauvery Water Management Authority because it does not have the exact powers as the Water Management Board. They claim that this Water Management Board had the authority over the dams, and if someone had to build a new dam, they had to go to the board and get permission, acquire permission before doing that. But these kind of powers are not vested with the authority, and they want that the authority have the same kind of power whatever the board had, and that was another resolution that has been passed today.
Right, so these resolutions have been passed on this all-party meeting, but have they been communicated to the respective authorities as well? Pramod, of course, they are unhappy about the manner in which this entire process has gone on and on how the centre has delayed in drafting the original scheme altogether. But remember, the Supreme Court's nod to the centre's draft scheme for the board does come as a positive step for the state, isn't it? Because we understand, though, there is an urgent need to speeden up the entire process, because the month of June is very crucial for the state of Tamil Nadu, considering it marks the southwest monsoon and more water is needed by the state. But these resolutions take us through the significance of these resolutions, and how are they planning to take this further? Are they going to communicate this to also the respective authorities?
Well, the passing of these 4 resolutions today is a way of showing the people that they have listened to whatever has been happening in Supreme Court, and they are also trying to communicate with the people at the first point, stating that this is what occurring. And the second one is a very important one. They are trying to bring out the differences between the Cauvery Water Management Board and Cauvery Water Water Management Authority. This is where MDMK leader Vaiko, or be it Stalin, or be it any other leader from the state, the opposition parties, unlike Chief Minister EPS, are not happy with this authority because they believe that whatever power was there with the board is not with the authority. This is what they want to make clear to the people also. But the very interesting point is that right now, when we asked as a DMK leader as to what they are going to do, what will be their next step, they have said that they are going to have a legal discussion, after which they will give the answer as to what should be done, because the Supreme Court has already accepted this particular draft scheme that has been brought forward by the centre without even questioning about the powers of the authority, though it is being made to believe that the authority and the board have the same kind of power, which even the Fisheries Minister Jayakumar from yesterday informed, stating that both are nothing but the same. However, DMK and other parties are not ready to accept it.
All right, Pramod, continue being with us. We've got a reaction on this entire issue. Let's listen in.
What protection was given by the Cauvery Tribunal final verdict, that is on the basis of Bagrabia's management board. Now, the protection which was given earlier, they could not construct dams in Karnataka without the consent of management board, and management board will not give consent. Now that provision has been removed, and also management board could take independent action. That word has been removed. Central Industrial Security Force only will be deployed as per the final verdict of the Cauvery Tribunal. That has been removed. All the protecting measures, provisions for Tamil Nadu have been totally removed. So it is total injustice and total betrayal of Tamils.